Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you how to resolve this issue, Windows update error, or it keeps on downloading but stuck in 0%. So first of all, you will copy the code in brackets, last code in brackets. After you copy the last code in brackets, you have to open the browser and search for Microsoft Catalog. It's where you will search the update, where you will be able to install it manually. Hit enter, then you go with the first link, Microsoft Update Catalog. You click it, seems to be loading, but I can refresh. There we go. Then you go and paste it there on the search so that you will be able to search the update. Then search, there we go. Then you download the first option or first update. Then you click download. To download it, then you will click the first link. There we go, it's downloading now. After a downloading process, you have to run the update. It's where it would be installing the update manually. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.